So there is this video now making the rounds on social media of this young man who is suggesting to be a serving member of the JCF. And in the video, he is suggesting that the real reason for the increase in murder rate here in Jamaica is as a result of INDECOM.
There is no place for this INDECOM as it stands. It cannot work. Police officers are intimidated left, right and center, whether admitted or not. And I'm sure there have been numerous arguments and numerous conversations about this. And because of the perceived political implications, no one, successive governments have failed to take up the matter in hand.
He went on further to say that INDECOM, with its many prosecutive powers, has no limits.
And you gave them the awesome powers to investigate, to arrest, and to prosecute. I don't know any other government anywhere in the world who will hand over the security of their country to one entity.
The frustrated lawman also expressed concerns that other police officers are afraid to engage criminal elements because
if I should engage a criminal element in a gunfight, he got shot. He's in the hospital. All he needs to do is make one phone call, and all his cronies will be able to find hundreds of thousands of dollars to hire the best attorney in the land. The best God Almighty attorney in the land. No, I can hardly pay my damn mortgage. Where am I going to find money from to hire a lawyer? And INDECOM is going to come and treat me worse than the criminal element.
There were mixed views, of course. Many persons were in support of his sentiments, whilst others, like myself, call it bullshit. Absolute power corrupts absolutely. And I remember the days before INDECOM, Uno used to abuse it.
INDECOM goes too far and places our police officers on the retreat. I think a balance has to be struck.
What kind of balance could that possibly be? Okay, alright, let us entertain the thought for just a second. That INDECOM is indeed the condom over Jamaica that is preventing the free flow of lawmen and women from fearlessly going out and taking matters into their own hands to come to a crime solution. It is certainly not lost on me and the many Jamaicans that this was our reality before INDECOM.
It was important to recall that at the time of INDECOM's formation, fatal shootings by agents of the state were 210 in 2011, 219 in 2012, and 258 in 2013. Those figures, however, are trending down.
Them say everybody is entitled to their own opinion, and I can to some extent respect his. Although it is thoughts like this that is an exact representation of what is wrong with Jamaica, I cannot in good sense believe that INDECOM is responsible for the moral low in the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
Such views, if held, are flawed. And there is an unhelpful representation being made in some of these matters. Responsibility for the morale of the Jamaican police force rests with its leaders and its leadership. And it cannot be that an unarmed group of 38 men and women in INDECOM applying the law in an open and transparent manner are affecting the morale of 11,000 armed men and women.
Gone are those days of rogue police officers and impunity.
And many of them in the high command of the force certainly remember those days. And there may be a yearning for some of them to return to those days. And they may lobby for a return to those days when there was not the proper accountability.
Smart policing is now required. A police force that is highly technological, a police force that knows what it is about, a police force that is ready and is equipped for today's modern criminals.
MOCA, previously the Anti-Corruption March, have arrested and charged more police officers than INDECOM. Where is the argument there? When officers are arrested, it is always by appointment, on arrangement, with their senior officer at a police station of their choosing, normally next to the court. That is not overzealous.
I personally cannot relate to an emotive piece that is posted online that is possibly undermining INDECOM and the police force as well. But that's just my 2 cents on this particular matter. Anyway, thanks again tubers for watching. Do remember to like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel for more. And if you want to support the channel and keep this thing afloat, do remember to support a cause by donating to my PayPal account. Until next time, walk good.